What's up mga ka-runners? So for today's video, tatakbo tayo ng 20 minutes na easy run. So para to bukas sa ating race day, na hindi naman ako sasali sa race, pero tatry natin i-beat yung 5K natin na PR or PB. So yun, come and join me. Let's be healthy this day. Always run for your life. So we are using our trusted Anta CO2 HP carbon plated shoes. So this is a performance shoes. First K 706, second K 657, third K 621. So that's our day 45 in a 20-minute easy run. I hope you start your day with a smile, and of course to be healthy, to be wealthy, to stay active, and always run for your life. Let's go! Run na kayo! Bangon dyan! Let's go!